Is video making costly? Isn't it really difficult to get footage of places you can't visit yourself? Are you on a low budget to buy videos? Are you feeling difficulty in shooting videos on your own? Do you want the clips of outer space and various well-known locations across the world without ever having to set foot there? Don't worry, you can do it in just few seconds by downloading a short clip. Stock footage is an easy solution for it. Stock footage is very useful for creating a mood, setting a scene, or conveying an idea. Even a few seconds of footage can get a viewer. A few well-placed video shots can breathe life into your project. Now let us see some of the legal stuff related to using free stock footages. As far as legality goes, not all stock footages are equal. You can't just grab any footages of the internet and use it in your own marketing. Even footages that have been licensed for public use may come with set of rules and regulations that you need to understand. During your search for free stock footage, you'll probably come across the terms right managed and royalty free. This means significantly different things. If you download or buy royalty-free footage or images, you can use them as many times as you want in just about whatever way you want, except some few restrictions. The content is considered yours after purchase or download, and you don't have to pay royalties to the original creator. Anybody can download royalty-free images, so other people and companies around the world may be using the same footages or images as you are. Right managed content have far stricter set of guidelines. These guidelines are laid down by the entity licensing the footage or image. However, you will probably be restricted in where, how many times, and for what purposes you can use the content. It's more exclusive than royalty-free content, so you may be the only person using that footage or image. However, right managed content can also be quite expensive. It's generally a good idea to stay away from right managed content if you are looking to keep things as simple and inexpensive as possible. Now let us know about Creative Commons license. Creative Commons license is a type of copyright license that allows a piece of content to be distributed freely. It's of different types that stipulate what you can and can't do with a piece of content. Now let us see in detail about different types of Creative Commons license. CC0, it's the most permissive license. It means no rights reserved. In other words, the content is in the public domain. Crediting the original creator is not required, and there are no restrictions on what you can do with it. It is the best type to use for simplicity and worry-free experience. CC BY 4.0, it's an attribution license. In this type, you need to give credit to the original creator of the work, link to the license itself, and specify whether you made any changes to the work. CC BY SA 4.0, it carries the same restrictions as an attribution license. If you change or build the original content, you may distribute your own work under the same license as the original work. CC BY NC 4.0, it carries the same restrictions as an attribution license. This is a non-commercial license. It means the content or any variations of the content cannot be used for commercial purposes. CC BY ND 4.0, this is a no derivative license. It carries the same restrictions as an attribution license. You can use the original content however you want, even commercially, but if you change or alter the material in any way, you cannot share or distribute it publicly. If you are not sure about a clip's licensing, try to get that information from the site owner or content creator. And many sites carry a disclaimer that their content can't be used to create offensive or discriminatory content, so it's good to assume it's true everywhere. Now that you know what the different license means, you are sure to find what you need to take your videos to the next level. After full research, here is a comprehensive list of various free stock footage sites that you can use in your video projects. Here I will also mention some important attributes related to sites so that it becomes easy for you while searching on the web. Video has access to the built-in 300 plus million stock library of royalty-free photos and videos, so wide variety of collections like technology, water, nature, colors, etc. Both free and paid video options, so wide selection to choose from. Number 2, Pixabay, extensive library of stock photos, all of their content licensed under CC0. Excel Videos offer both stock footage and stock footage for free, all their content licensed under CC0. Number 4 is Videvo. They currently offer content under 3 licenses. The Videvo standard license, which means you can use the clip however you want and you don't have to provide credit. However, you are not allowed to upload the footage as a stock clip to any other site. The Videvo attribution license, which means in addition to the restrictions above that you must provide credit to the original creator when using the content. The CC BY 3.0 license is a slightly older version of the current Creative Commons attribution license. It carries the same restrictions as the current attribution license. Some can't be used commercially, so be sure to read. Number 5 is Videzi. Tons of beautiful free SD and 4K videos in many categories to browse. Not all of their clips are licensed under CC0, so make sure to click license info on each individual clips page to find out how you can use it. Number 6 is Qt Stock Footage. It also offers a variety of other goodies like photos, audio clips, fonts, and textures under the Free Resources tab in their menu. Credit link to the qtstockfootage.com needed. Its CC BY NC 4.0 license allows you to remove and transform the footage, but it prevents you from using it for commercial purposes. Number 7. Motion Places. Video conveniently organized by locations and themes in the menu. To download a video, you will need to enter your email address. Attribution is mandatory except for 4K resolution footage that costs $99. Number 8. Vitsplay. Collection of footage by category or by keyword. Credit vitsplay.com required. All the stock footage are free and more videos are added weekly. Also be prepared for a few shorter stock ads. Number 9. Bottle Video. It offers video clips for free as well as SD and 4K footage to purchase. Credition required. Downloading from this site can be difficult because spammers have abused the site services over the years. As a result, the site owners have created an algorithm that increases the free footage's cost to $2 when they detect too much suspicious activity. The clips later go back to being free. Number 10. Ignite Motion. Credits are not required but appreciated. Check it out to see if your project could use a background video from 22 categories covered. Number 11. Mujvai. Gorgeous cinematic SD footages. Most of the footage licensed under an attribution license. You can trim videos before downloading them. Display keys information and place a preview on hover. 2 to 3 minutes long footages. Attribution needed. Number 12. Motion Elements. 300 free stock videos and they post new ones every week. Large selection of footage available for purchase. Credition required. Email sign up required. High free downloads per week. Nature Stock Videos. Number 13. As it says on the tin, Nature Stock Videos offer a nice collection of nature videos, rivers, waterfalls, beaches, and more. Creative Commons 0 license, so you can do anything with the footage. Free Ultra HD footages. Number 14. Production Crate. A lot of resources like stock footage, special effects, templates, and audio right at your fingertips. Account needed. Attribution requested but not legally required. It offers other production-ready assets including effects, textures, and royalty-free music. Thousands of content across multi-level categories. Loads more footage and assets on a pro plan at $4.08 per month, limited to 5 downloads per day on free plan. Number 15. Free SD stock footage on Vimeo. It has 258 free videos to choose from. The licensing type for this video isn't specified. Footage quality is assured. Lack of proper tagging make finding the perfect footage a daunting task. It is not updated frequently. Number 16. Cover offers a lot of eye-pleasing videos. They update the site with 7 new videos every Monday. You can use videos from cover however you want, with the exceptions of reselling them or posting them on other stock footage sites. No attribution required. A video thumbnail image is included in the download. No 4K footage, a small collection of free stock footage. Number 17. Life of Hits. Footage selection on this site is limited, but the clips are very attractive. Lots of good aerial shots available for download. New free stock footage every week. Free to use for personal and commercial use. Poor source functionality. 10 videos redistribution limit per user. Split site. The restriction with the content are you may not resell it, upload it to the other websites, or create anything offensive with it. No registration and attribution required. Great for aerial footage. No source functionality. Videos are hosted on YouTube. Doesn't show video preview. Number 19. Motion backgrounds. As the name implies, motion backgrounds website provides free motion backgrounds. You can use them for whatever you want. There are no restrictions. No need to give credit. You can use the footages for commercial purposes. Number 20. Clip still. Amazing free cinema graphs, which means an animated image where only part of the picture is moving. Alternative to traditional stock footage, updated monthly, small library, $14 subscription free to download all cinema graphs. Number 21. Dareful. Formerly stock footage for free. Offers free clips in a wide variety of categories, from nature to transportation to sports. New clips are usually added every week, so check back frequently. User must create an account before downloading free stock footage. Condition required. Unlimited downloads. Completely free. Only MOV format for SD videos. Email sign up required. Number 22. Beach ball B-roll. Offer SD stock footage and animated backgrounds. Let you choose a category to browse at the top of the page. The footage here is licensed under Creative Commons Attribution license, so you will need to provide credit if you use the work. It is hosted on YouTube for easy embedding. A small collection of footage. Not enough information about the footage. Number 23. Mitch Martinez. All of its footage are free and in 4K resolution. Download all 30 GB of footage in one clip for $99. You have to request and sign a license agreement before using footage commercially. Number 24. Ponds 5. Free video footage. Ponds 5 charges for most of their footage, but they do offer free old footage as well. All of these clips are in public domain. One of the largest libraries with about 20 million clips and over 10,000 free stock footage. Flexible resolution options going as high as 4K. New videos are quite expensive. SD video starts at $25. Number 25. Fancy Footage Club. Fancy Footage Club is no longer operating, but the website is still up and you can still browse their collection of clips. Thumbnail image included in Dropbox. Unclear licensing. Impossible to sort the small library of 60 videos by anything apart from the file name. Library last updated in 2016. Movie tools. Non-commercial videos. If you want to use any of these clips for commercial purposes, you will need to download the SD version for a free. Free loops can be used commercially. 27 is Monzoom. No creditation required. Sign up is required to download premium plans for SD and 4K videos starting at $19 per month. 28. Clip Canvas. They offer 170 free stock videos. They also have a larger library of footage available for purchase. No attribution required. Discount for repeat customers. Paid videos start at $79 per video. 29. Open Footage. It offers a good selection of nature, time-lapse, and abstract videos on their site. You can download the low-resolution version of these videos for free. High-quality version carry a fee. Free downloads are licensed under Creative Commons Attribution license. No free SD footage. Last but not least, Mixkit. It offers a high-quality stock footages. They add new clips every week. They also contain small stock music and Premiere Pro templates, all completely free to download and use. Thank you for watching the